Hi everyone, today I wanted to talk about antimicrobial resistance and the way that we define antimicrobials is antibiotics, antivirals, antifungals, antiparasitics, and medicines used to prevent and treat infections in human, animals, and plants. And this is a worldwide problem that has consequences across the globe due to the increase in travel, trade. There are no borders anymore for these bacteria because they are traveling across the world. Some huge consequences that are occurring is prolonged hospital stays, additional diagnostics and lab testing, additional prescriptions, and then additional high costs. And something connected with a prolonged hospital stay is premature deaths. So it is a worthy cause that we need to take more attention of. So what kind of fuels antibiotic resistance is this horizontal and vertical gene transfer. So for bacteria that have become resistant to these antibiotics, they can transfer them to their progeny when they're growing and reproducing, or they can also do it through horizontal gene transfer to neighboring cells. And this fuels the development of resistance. And this is concerning because we are losing our available antibiotics to be able to treat and kill these infectious diseases as time goes on, because there has been low development occurring while the spread of antibiotic resistance is increasing. There's antibiotic resistance in our food and antibiotic resistance in our livestock. We use antibiotics for our livestock to make them bigger, and that produces more product, and as a result that also increases the likelihood of antibiotic resistance that we're exposed to because of the overuse of antibiotics when it's not needed. Another concern is that the groundwater and wastewater has a lot of antibiotic resistance in it due to from the excretion from animal farms, sludge from wastewater and manure, and this increases our antibiotic resistance in the environment. So due to the overuse of antibiotics in farming, and can lead to increased exposure and incidence of this antibiotic resistant bacteria. Hospitals are also an area with increased antimicrobial resistance. A big drive in this is inappropriate use of antibiotics, and that is why we need to take more stringent laws and practices to limit our use of antibiotics across not just the United States, but across the world, and we have to come and find a common ground in regulating antibiotics because we're losing the effective antibiotics as the growth of antibiotic resistant microbes grow. That's all I want to talk about. Thank you.